Hello everyone, very good morning. Myself Raju Vatari, Assistant Professor in SJPN BCA College, Nirsusi. Heartily welcome to you all to the BCA College, Nirsusi. So, in this semester, I am going to take the subject the computer fundamental. I am going to handle the subject that is the core subject, the computer fundamentals. Okay, so in this subject you are going to learn the detailed about the computer. Okay, what you mean by computer, how it organized, what are the integral part, what is motherboard, how it works, how it process. Those all things we learn in we are going to learn in computer fundamentals, right? So you know already you are under the Rani Chennam University. Okay, so they are added new syllabus that is called the CBCS syllabus for your first semester. That is choice based credit system. Okay, this is your the syllabus for your first semester. You know already these all things our HOD, the VM Patil sir explained the very well. I hope this is clear to you all. Okay, so you know already these are three parts: part 1, part 2, part 3. There are modern Indian language. In that, Kannada and Hindi you can choose anyone, and English is compulsory. And there are three subject, core subject. One is C programming language, computer fundamental, that is handled by me, and financial accounting. Who came from science background, they are going to learn financial accounting. And mathematics first, who are came from the commerce background, they are going to learn the mathematics first. Okay, and the respective subject C programming, you have a C programming lab, the computer fundamental labs, and office automation lab. Okay, so come to the my subject, the computer fundamentals. This is a subject code, the BCA DC DSC discipline subject specific core subject. Okay, 1.4. And here there are totally 100 marks for our subject fundamental computer fundamentals, totally 100 marks subject, and they're divided into two parts. One is theory, one is IA marks. Okay, the theory is 80 marks, I is 20 marks, totally 100 marks. Okay, so after this, now we are going to discuss a syllabus, the how they are added the computer fundamental syllabus for you in first semester. There are mainly the computer fundamentals syllabus divided into 5 units: unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, and unit 5. In all unit you are going to learn detailed about the computer fundamentals. Okay, totally 100 marks, the computer fundamentals. They divided theory 80 marks, IA is 20 marks. Okay, totally 100 marks. In first unit you are going to learn the introduction of a computer, the how it processing the data, the what are the main features of computers or characteristics of the computers, computer evolutions to present form, that means the how it comes, the history of the computer till now. Okay, that will you are going to learn in first unit. The generations, the structure of the computers, the basic operation performed by the computers, and input devices, output devices, what are the functions of input devices and output devices, you are going to learn in first unit. Okay, in second unit, as we know, the computer can understand only numbers, not your English language or high level language. The computer cannot understand that, only understand the numbers. So how it works on numbers, that will you are going to learn in second unit, that is called as number system. In number system you are going to learn the non-positional number system, a positional number system, decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal number system, and how it converts one number system to another number system and vice versa, that is called as decimal to binary, how it converts, and binary to decimal, octal to decimal, decimal to octal, how it converts your the data, and computer codes. After that you are going to learn computer codes, computer data, computer codes, in that the representation of data in binary. For example, you are given one input as a BCA. So BCA is a high level language that is in the form of English, BCA, but computer cannot understand that BCA. So that is converted to number system, then only that can understand. Okay, that converted into binary. So these all things you are going to learn in second unit. And in third unit, in computer, the processor and memory. This is one chapter in third unit. In that you can learn the structure of processor, how it process the data, the what is the structure of the processor. Okay, so that is internal structure of the processor and memory structure, types of processor, the main memory of organization, random access memory, read-only memory, cache memory, secondary storage. In that secondary storage, you can learn secondary storage devices and their needs. What why we want to need the secondary storage devices? Those all things we are going to learn in third unit, right? And after that, in fourth unit, you are going to learn the software, system software, application software. You are going to learn in fourth unit. Okay, so how it relation between the hardware and software, and what are the types of software, system software, application software. Okay, these all things we are going to learn in fourth unit. And also the operating system, that is after that application software. You know already MS Word, MS Excel, those all things again we are going to learn in fourth unit. In fifth unit, we are purely going to learn about the operating system. So many operating system available nowadays. Okay, basically we are using Windows operating system because this is user friendly operating system. Okay, so we are using Windows operating system, and in that you are going to learn the basics of Windows, what you mean by Windows, what are the components of Windows, icons, taskbar, activating Windows, using desktop, title bar, running application. These all things we are going to learn in Windows OS. After that, there is another OS that is called as Linux or Linux OS. We can spell like this, pronounce like this, Linux or Linux. Okay, so here the basics of Linux OS, operating system. OS stands for operating system. Features and architecture of Linux. Introduction to bash shell commands, basic commands like this. These all things we covered in fifth unit. Okay, these are the 5 unit we are going to detail in first unit. Okay, so after that there are some references they given. Okay, because you have to learn the computer language, the computer fundamentals. For that they given some references. What is the reference? The computer fundamental. This is a subject name, the book name. The author is P.K. Sinha and Preeti Sinha. It is 6th edition. The publication is BPB. Okay, so because this is a good one for your the computer fundamentals. According to this subject, they are made your syllabus. You can get all those chapters in the computer fundamentals. Otherwise, you can use these 3 reference books. Okay, Rima Theresa, Fundamentals of Computers, S.K. Basandra, Computers Today, E. Balgoswami, Fundamentals of Computer. You can learn, you can use these also. Okay, so this is additional reading. You can search this also. And this is a book which I am referring. Okay, Computer Fundamentals, 6th edition. The author is Pradeep K. Sinha, Preeti Sinha. Okay, so this is all about the syllabus introduction. In upcoming classes or next classes, we are going to discuss the briefly the what you mean by computer, the how it comes, the who is the father of computer, features, characteristics, functions, the structures. These all things we are going to cover in next class. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.